Hi everybody. Today we are going to learn how to set up section breaks using Next Page and Continuous in Google Docs. First, open your document in Google Docs on your desktop web browser. Click on the exact position on your page where you want to split your document layout into separate formatting sections. Go to the top menu bar and click on Insert. Hover your cursor over Break near the bottom of the drop-down menu to open the break options. To start a new section on the very next page, click on Section Break, Next Page. To start a new section on the exact same page, click on Section Break, Continuous. A section break line will appear on your page layout, allowing you to apply independent formatting such as changing margins, switching page orientation to landscape, or restarting page numbers for that specific section only. If you cannot see where your breaks are located, go to the top menu bar, click View, and make sure Show Section Breaks is checked. And that's it. I hope it helps you on your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.